As you saw in the thumbnail, in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 professional car detailing tricks that most people, and even many professional detailers, won't tell you about. But there's one important thing to remember. These 5 tricks are hidden throughout different parts of the video. If you skip ahead, there's a good chance you'll miss one of them. These are the kinds of tricks that can significantly increase your car's value. Most people think their car looks old because of age. They're wrong. A car starts looking old because of small mistakes repeated every week. Mistakes that slowly ruin the paint, interior, shine, and resale value without you even noticing. Today, I'm showing you 15 simple tricks professional detailers charge hundreds of dollars for, but you can do most of them at home for less than $10. Last month, I sold my old 2019 car, and people were literally competing to buy it. Not because it was rare, not because it had low mileage, but because the car looked almost brand new. Some people genuinely thought it looked like a 2026 model. And here's the best part. I never took it to a professional detail shop even once. Everything I used was cheap, simple, and already sitting around my house. Just a few smart habits and small tricks that most drivers completely ignore. This is Future Garage Motors. Subscribe if you're new. Now let's start with the first trick, because there's a very good chance you've been doing it wrong your entire life. Trick 1. The clay bar glass test. Most people wash their car, then think the paint is fully clean. It's not. After washing your car, run your hand lightly over the hood. Feel those tiny rough spots. That's all the dirt and metal particles stuck in the paint that normal washing can't remove. And this is exactly why many cars still look old and dull even after a fresh wash. Now watch this. Take a clay bar, spray a little lubricant on the paint, and slowly slide the clay bar across the surface. At first, it felt rough, but after a few passes, the paint suddenly feels super smooth, like glass. The first time I tried this, I honestly kept touching the hood because the difference felt unreal. And here's why this trick matters so much. Smooth paint reflects light better, which makes your car instantly look cleaner, shinier, and way newer. Most people completely skip this step, and that's why their car never gets that deep showroom shine. Trick 2. The purple rain decking. Your wheels might look clean, but most of the time, they're actually covered in tiny pieces of hot brake dust and metal. And this stuff is nasty. Every time you brake, tiny metal particles shoot onto your rims and slowly stick to them. Normal soap usually can't remove it completely, which is why old wheels start looking dull, brown, and worn out. This is where an iron remover completely changes the game. Spray it onto the wheels and wait a few seconds. Then something crazy happens. The liquid starts turning bright purple, almost like the wheel is bleeding. And no, that purple color isn't dirt. It's the product reacting with all the hidden metal particles stuck on your rims and melting them away safely. The first time I used this, I honestly thought it was fake until I saw the wheels afterward. They instantly looked newer, glossier, and way more expensive. This is the difference between wheels that look washed and wheels that actually look brand new. And if you're enjoying these simple tricks so far, subscribe to Future Garage Motors, because the next ones get even better. Touch-up paint, removing the freckles. No matter how careful you are, small rock chips on the hood are impossible to avoid. And over time, those tiny white spots make the whole front of the car look older and neglected. But here's the good news. They're actually super easy to hide. Just get a touch-up paint pen that matches your car's color using the VIN number. Then carefully dab a tiny amount of paint into each chip. Don't rush it. At first, the chips might still be visible a little. But once the paint dries, those ugly spots almost disappear. The first time I did this on my hood, I honestly couldn't stop looking at the difference. The front of the car suddenly looked cleaner, smoother, and way newer. It's one of those small details most people never fix, but once you do, the whole car instantly feels more expensive. Restoring gray plastics. One of the fastest ways to make a car look old is faded plastic trim. You know those gray bumpers and faded black parts around the car? When the sun keeps hitting them for years, the color slowly fades away. And even if the paint looks shiny, those faded plastics instantly make the whole car look cheap and tired. Most people try fixing it with oily tire shine or greasy sprays. Big mistake. It looks good for one day, then turns patchy, dusty, and even worse later. Instead, use a real trim restorer or ceramic coating. Just apply a small amount onto the faded plastic and wipe it evenly. And within seconds, the deep black color starts coming back. Seriously, it's one of the most satisfying things to watch. The car suddenly looks newer, cleaner, and way more expensive. Even though you only fixed a tiny detail most people ignore. The 5-minute engine bay detail. Most people spend hours cleaning the outside of their car, but forget the engine bay completely. And trust me, buyers notice it instantly. A shiny car with a dirty engine bay feels suspicious, like the owner only cleaned what people could see. But here's the crazy part. Cleaning your engine bay is actually super easy. First, make sure the engine is cool. Then cover sensitive parts like the alternator with a plastic bag. Now spray an all-purpose cleaner around the dusty areas and gently scrub with a soft brush. You'll literally see years of dirt start coming off in seconds. After that, lightly rinse it with low water pressure and wipe everything dry. That's it. The engine bay suddenly looks cleaner, newer, and much more cared for. And if you're enjoying these simple tricks so far, subscribe to future Garage Motors, because the next ones get even better. The ozone treatment, the new car smell. Most people think the new car smell comes from air fresheners. It doesn't. That fresh smell disappears because bacteria, moisture, food smells, and old air slowly build up inside your AC vents over the years. And no spray can truly fix that. It only covers the smell for a little while. This is where an ozone generator changes everything. Turn the car on, let the AC run, place the ozone machine inside, and leave it running for about 20 minutes with nobody inside the car. What it does is actually kill the bacteria and odor-causing particles hiding deep inside the vents. And the difference afterward is crazy. The car smells cleaner, fresher, and almost like a newer vehicle again. The first time I tried this, even passengers noticed the smell instantly the moment they opened the door. Headlight wet sanding. Yellow headlights instantly make even a nice car look old. And the worst part? Most people try fixing them with toothpaste hacks they saw online. It might look better for a few days, but the yellow haze always comes back. If you actually want headlights that look clear and new again, here's the right way to do it. First, spray water on the headlight and gently wet sand it using 2000 grit sandpaper. At first, it's going to look worse and cloudy. Don't panic, that's normal. You're removing the dead, damaged layer caused by years of sunlight. Then wipe it clean and spray a UV-resistant clear coat on top. And this is the satisfying part. The headlights suddenly turn crystal clear again, almost like a brand new car. It completely changes the front look of the car and instantly makes it feel years newer. Door jamb deep clean. Here's something almost nobody cleans, but the second you see it, you can't unsee it. Open. Touch-up paint, removing the freckles. No matter how careful you are, small rock chips on the hood are impossible to avoid. And over time, those tiny white spots make the whole front of the car look older and neglected. But here's the good news. They're actually super easy to hide. Just get a touch-up paint pen that matches your car's color using the VIN number. Then carefully dab a tiny amount of paint into each chip. Don't rush it. At first, the chips might still be visible a little. But once the paint dries, those ugly spots almost disappear. The first time I did this on my hood, I honestly couldn't stop looking at the difference. The front of the car suddenly looked cleaner, smoother, and way newer. It's one of those small details most people never fix, but once you do, the whole car instantly feels more expensive. If these tricks are saving you money and making your car look newer, subscribe to future Garage Motors, because the next tricks are even crazier. The interior rebirth. Most people think their seats are clean because they don't see any stains. But watch this. This machine is called an extractor, and it pulls dirt hidden deep inside the fabric that normal vacuum cleaners can't reach. Spray cleaner on the seat, scrub it lightly, then slowly run the extractor across the fabric. And this is the crazy part. Look at the water coming out. That dark black water is years of sweat, dust, spilled drinks, body oils, and dirt trapped inside the seats. The first time I did this on my car, I honestly couldn't believe how disgusting the water looked. And once the seats dry, the whole interior feels completely different. Cleaner, fresher, almost like a newer car. This is one of those details passengers might not notice immediately, but the second they sit down, they can feel the difference. Matte leather, the factory finish. A lot of people think shiny leather seats mean the interior is clean, but it's actually the opposite. That shiny look usually comes from years of body oil, sweat, dirt, and grime building up on the leather. Clean leather is supposed to look smooth and matte, not greasy and reflective. And once you notice the difference, you can't unsee it. Here's the easy fix. Spray a small amount of leather cleaner onto the seat, then gently scrub it with a soft brush. At first, it doesn't look like much is happening. But after a few passes, the dirty shine slowly disappears and the leather starts looking fresh again, almost like factory new seats. The first time I cleaned mine, one side looked rich and matte, while the dirty side looked oily and old. And honestly, this tiny detail changes the whole feeling of the interior. The car suddenly feels cleaner, newer, and much more premium. Glass polishing. You know those annoying water spots on your windshield that never disappear no matter how many times you clean the glass? Yeah, normal glass cleaners usually can't remove them. That's because those spots are actually hard mineral deposits left behind by rainwater, dirty water, and sunlight baking them onto the glass for months. And over time, they make the windshield look old, cloudy, and harder to see through at night. This is where glass polish makes a huge difference. Put a small amount onto a towel or applicator pad, then gently rub it across the glass in circles. At first, it feels like nothing is happening. But after wiping it off, the glass suddenly looks clearer, smoother, and much more transparent. The first time I tried this, I honestly didn't realize how bad my windshield looked until I saw the difference afterward. It makes the whole car feel newer instantly. Ceramic spray coating. Once your paint is finally clean and shiny, you need to protect it. Because if you don't, the sun, rain, dust, and dirt will slowly make it look dull all over again. This is where a ceramic spray coating makes a huge difference. And no, you don't need expensive professional ceramic coating anymore. Modern ceramic sprays are super easy to use at home. Just spray a small amount onto the paint, wipe it evenly with a microfiber towel, then buff it lightly. And within seconds, the paint starts looking deeper, shinier, and almost mirror-like. The first time I used one, I honestly couldn't stop looking at the reflections on the hood. And the best part? Water starts sliding right off the car instead of sticking to it. That glossy, freshly detailed look can last for months with almost no effort. The payoff. The last trick isn't about making your car look clean. It's about keeping it looking clean. And this one mistake destroys more paint than people realize. Automatic brushed car washes. Those spinning brushes are full of dirt from hundreds of other cars, and every time they hit your paint, they leave tiny scratches called swirl marks. That's why some cars look dull in sunlight even after washing them. Instead, use the 2-bucket method. One bucket holds clean soapy water. The second bucket is only for rinsing the dirt out of your wash mitt before touching the paint again. It sounds simple, but it makes a massive difference. Because instead of rubbing dirt across the paint, you're safely removing it. This is how people keep their cars looking glossy, smooth, and newer for years instead of months. And honestly, once you see the difference in sunlight, you'll never use a brushed car wash again.